Hello there, future management superstars. Welcome to this exciting new adventure into the world of general management. I am your host Masim, and today we are kicking off an epic new series with a topic that sets the stage for everything to come. Introduction to General Management. Well, first of all, give yourself a pat on the back for taking the initiative to learn more about management. Whether you are an aspiring leader or a seasoned pro or simply curious, we have got some incredible insights lined up for you. So, what exactly is general management all about? Well, think of it as the art of getting things done with the help of others. It is the art and science of coordinating people, resources, and processes to achieve organizational goals. It is like conducting an orchestra to create a harmonious symphony of success. General management stands on three pillars, and they are as essential as the legs of a tripod: planning, organizing, and controlling. These are your superpowers as a manager. Planning. Imagine you are the captain of a ship, charting the course of the journey. That's planning. You set the destination, map the route, and ensure that everything you need for a safe voyage. Organizing. Now picture yourself as the master chef at a bustling kitchen, orchestrating a perfect meal. Organizing is all about arranging the resources, assigning tasks, and creating a well structured, efficient environment. Controlling. Think of this as the lifeguard at a swimming pool, ensuring everybody is safe and the rules are followed. Controlling means monitoring progress, making adjustments, and ensuring that your plans stay on track. Well, let's talk about the cooler stuff: what managers actually do. Managers are the conductors of the organizational orchestra, ensuring that all the segments play in harmony. They set the goals and create a vision, make decisions to achieve those goals, organize resources and tasks, lead and inspire teams, control and adapt as necessary. But wait, it's not all about stardust and rainbows. Managers face challenges too. We have time management. In a fast-paced world of general management, there's often a chorus of voices lamenting so much to do and so little time. Managers truly embody the modern day wizards of time, skillfully juggling a multitude of tasks. Their success hinges on mastering the art of time management. They are the orchestrators of their daily symphony, using their time wisely to conduct a harmonious and productive workspace. From prioritizing tasks to optimizing efficiency, they are the true time crafters, shaping moments into meaningful achievements. Decision making. Decisions, and decisions. Managers faced an unending cascade of choices, each one carrying its own weight of consequences. Some choices are straightforward, while others are the kind that might keep you up all night. But for managers, it's all in a day's work. They are the architects of the organization's destinies, crafting the future with every choice they make. The decisions they face are the building blocks of success, and they are not afraid to tackle even the toughest ones. They are the decision dynamo, navigating a complex landscape of choices with confidence and precision. Conflict resolution. In a dynamic world of management, conflicts can flare up like sparks in a family gathering. Managers often find themselves in the role of peacemakers, entrusted with the task of handling conflicts among team members. They are not just managers, they are the harmony architects, weaving unity and cooperation in the fabrics of their teams. With adept skills and tactful diplomacy, they transform discord into harmony, ensuring that everybody gets along. They are the true peaceful persuaders, guiding their team towards mutual understanding and productive collaboration. Alright, folks, That's a wrap for today's exciting episode on Introduction to General Management. We have just scratched the surface. But remember, this is just the beginning of your general management adventure. So, here's your mission. Think about the last time you managed something. It could be as simple as planning a party or coordinating an office project. How did you apply the principles of planning, organizing, and controlling? Share your experiences in the comment section below. Thank you for tuning in into a brand new series on general management. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click on that notification bell, and don't miss out on any moment of your management adventure. Stay tuned for more management magic. Until next time, keep managing like a boss.